Okay, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we are going to solve this equation graphically. Okay, and so I'm going to show you how to do that using the calculator. Okay, so again, I'm not going to write out the steps. I'm going to show you them, and you just make sure you write them out. So here we go. So we're going to take this example, and we're going to graph this using the graphing calculator. And again, we're going to do it the same way that we've done it before. So I'm going to take one side and make that one of my y1s, my y1. And I'm going to take the other side, this one, and make this y2 on my calculator. And then I'm going to graph them, and then I'm going to find the intersection point, because we know that, hey, these two sides are equal when the two graphs of these two functions, or these two lines, intersect. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, again, looking at my calculator, we're going to go to the y equals, and then you're going to clear out anything that you have for y1, y2. You could use y3, y6, and any of these if you did not want to, if you didn't want to clear these out, that's fine, but I'm going to clear them out. To clear them out, you put the cursor on the equal sign and then clear it. Oh, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. I'm wrong. Okay, sorry. You put it here and you just hit clear. Okay, and it erases it. So if I go down, right, and I hit clear, okay, it's going to clear it out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. So I'm going to go 4, and then you're going to find the natural log key, and then you're going to hit X, and then end parenthesis, and then plus 1. So this is what you should see on your calculator. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter. Oops, wrong one. Go back. There we go. Oh, wait, I put it on the wrong one. Oh, I put it on Y2. Okay, I'm just going to go up to the Y. Okay, so I entered this one on Y2, so let me change that. So I'll just change this around. No big deal. It doesn't matter. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put this one in Y1. Okay, so I just put this in Y2, so I'm going to put this in Y2, so I'm going to use the negative sign, and then 2, and then natural log, and then x minus 1, and then the parentheses. So here are the two equations. And now if I hit enter, okay, so there they are. So now I'm going to graph them. Now here's where again you're going to have to look at your window. Okay, so I know this is going to go out to what? So 10. Okay, so I'm going to go, oh, so this should be on my window, I would imagine. I'm going to graph. Oh, hold on. Zoom. Oh, I gotta wait. Sometimes you gotta wait, so I'm going to go to Zoom Standard. I forgot I had already used. Ah, there we go. So on my window, I just went to Zoom, the standard window, which is the 10 by 10 window, and you can see that the two graphs cross right there. So, since it's on my window, I can go ahead and figure out where the intersection point is. So I'm going to go to what? I'm going to go to second, and I'm going to go to trace for calc, and I want to calc the intersection, which is going to be what? Number 5. So I'm going to hit number 5, and it's going to ask me for the first curve, and I'm going to hit, so see where the cursor's at? Okay, and so at the top here, it's got the first curve, so there's my y2, and I'm just going to say enter. Hold on a second. Ah, there we go. I had to have the cursor. There's the cursor. I had to bring the cursor down. It wasn't on the screen for some reason, so I'm going to bring it down there. So there's my cursor. So that's the first curve. So I'm going to hit enter. And now it's up there on the second curve. So I'm going to hit yes, enter. And now I'm going to scroll down to where the intersection is. Oops, wrong way. So I'm going to go to right about there, and then I'm going to hit enter for my guess. And now there's the answer. So what's the solution? The solution is, this is my x value, so my solution is here. This is my x value, and that's my y value. So I'm just going to write that down. So the solution to this is x equals, right? Because I'm solving for x. So my x is approximately equal to 1 point, and they want me to go out to the thousandths place, so it's going to be 339. And so this is the answer. And that's how you do it graphically using a calculator. Have a great day.